Welcome to the Gaston Early College High School virtual tour. This tour includes 360-degree video, which means if you tap or click on your screen, you can drag your finger or mouse to look around. Throughout this tour, various rooms of our school building will be displayed to give you an idea of what to expect when attending Gaston Early College. Be sure to take a look around before we head on inside. This is what you see when you first walk in. As you can see to the left, there are lockers, which are available to students for just $5 for the entire school year. On the right, we have our receptionist and front desk area. If you go over to the far right, we're going to take a look at the commons area. This is what we like to call the commons area. This is where students gather in the mornings and congregate before being dismissed to class. This is also where students eat lunch and even where school dances are held, with the exception being prom. Take a look around before we head on to the hallway. This is the hallway that students go through to go from class to class. Take a look before we go in and see an actual classroom. Welcome to math class. As you can see, these students are working hard. Our math classrooms have covers over the tables which allow students to write with expo markers on the actual tables to allow them to preserve paper. Take a look around this math classroom before we head in to one of our science labs. Welcome to the science lab. This is one out of 2 science labs we have in our school building. As you can see, we have a lot of nice equipment that's used to do all sorts of really cool experiments. Take a look around the lab before we head into one of our history classrooms. Welcome to history class. This is a classroom that you will be taking history and seminar classes in. Check it out before we go and look at some different rooms that you'll be taking college classes in. Welcome to room 119. This will be where lots of your college classes will be held until your junior year when you're allowed to go on campus. During your first 2 years, all of your college classes will be held in this room or one of our computer labs downstairs. Check it out before we head to our final location. Welcome to our final room of the tour. This is one of the 2 computer labs that we have in our building. While it might not hold computers right now, usually this lab has computers all around the outside tables that students can use while their college instructor teaches in the front of the classroom. Check out this lab before we head on to the outro. Thank you all for taking this virtual tour. Remember, the deadline to apply is February 28th. We hope to see you all next year at Gaston Early College High School.